As soon as you notice your driver's license is gone, it's time to act. Here's how to get a lost North Carolina driver's license replacement. You'll need to apply for a replacement license no matter how your license disappeared. You can do this by going to the My NC portal online or by visiting your local DMV branch in person. To apply for a replacement license online, have your email and driver's license number at the ready. Then use a valid credit card to pay the $14 replacement fee and the $3 online processing fee. If you can't find your driver's license number, there are a few places you can check. Check your registration if you still have it and any other documents related to your license and registration. Maybe a registration renewal notice. You may also be able to look up your personal information on a public records website. Once your application has been processed, your new driver's license should come in the mail within 20 days. In some cases, however, you may need to apply for a replacement license in person. You won't be able to get a replacement license online if your current license is suspended, you're applying for a real ID, or you have unpaid fines from the DMV. To apply for a replacement license in person, you'll need to bring 2 proofs of age and identity. This could include a passport, birth certificate, or social security card, proof of name change like a marriage or divorce certificate, and payment by cash, check, or another acceptable format. The fee for a replacement license is $14. You'll have your picture taken while there and get a temporary driving permit to use until your new license comes in the mail. Be careful about driving if your license is not on your person. If you're pulled over, you'll get an additional offense for driving without a license, even if you have a valid license and it's legitimately lost. Driving without a license on you is a violation that may cause your car insurance rates to increase. If you want to minimize your rate increase or just maximize your savings, use a comparison shopping tool like Jerry to find the best rates across dozens of top insurance providers in as little as 45 seconds. For more information about your driver's license, car insurance, and more, go to getjerry.com.